Having fun with a Ferrari on the highway, this rider fails to follow the curve, and by the time he notices, he's headed straight for the concrete barrier. Another reason to always keep your eyes ahead. After some beef miles earlier, when this lady brake checked and blocked him from passing, they both stop in the road and have an argument. And luckily for her, this rider keeps his cool.
I have it on camera. I pull up the camera. Get off the road.
Don't be driving so. Don't be driving that fast.
Learn how to drive, bitch.
Don't be caught.
Learn how to drive.
Where do you live?
What?
Where do you live?
I live here.
Here? Here?
I live where I want to live.
Where do you live? You live in Gladcock? You don't be driving as fast.
I'll tell you where I live.
You guys are driving too fast. You driving too fast.
Let me a job. That's still on camera.
Get it on camera. Get it on
I have it
camera.
on camera.
Get it on camera. Get it on camera. Get it. Don't be driving around the
I got it on camera.
Don't drive on our
Don't touch it.
Don't drive. Sucker.
Get your ass in the car.
Oh, get on your little
I'm
car.
about to. Don't touch me.
Get
Don't
on
fucking touch
Get
me.
in there.
I'm going to file a police
Get in there.
report against your
Go
ass.
get it.
Riding down the road and your handlebar suddenly comes off? Yeah, not the situation you ever want to be in.
Jebate, čovjek je stao motoristu na nogu. Jebate.
While waiting to cross the border, this rider gets an unexpected surprise when the car behind him rolls forward and runs over his foot. Yeah, I'd be furious too, and it doesn't take long before border staff step in to see what's going on.
Bez da je uopće skužio. Aj.
Alright guys, first time riding the S1K. Finally.
This guy borrows his buddy's S1000, and thankfully his friend's girlfriend convinced him to gear up. Because before he can even enjoy it, this happens.
A few moments later.
Ooh. Call Jaden.
While trying to merge and pass, this rider gets aggressively swerved at by a driver. A perfect example of why it's better to just let things go, because this one escalates fast. About to take a left at a crosswalk, this rider makes sure the Audi ahead gives pedestrians the right of way. I guess some people still need a good reminder.
Fucking wait! Fucking wait! You fucking wait! Go! Fuck you, man! You fucking stupid! You people crossing! You fucking idiot! Oh, shit. You guys okay?
After stopping to help a friend who crashed on a turn, this rider ends up capturing another friend about to do the exact same thing. A solid reminder to never rush recovery spots, and always make sure it's clear before you move in.
Do you know how many times people die on the motorcycle here? Speeding up?
Yeah, because of people like him!
No!
That's why!
Riding with friends through familiar roads, this biker tries to follow his group through a curve, but doesn't have quite enough room. When he tries again, the black SUV deliberately blocks him.
As well.
And when the riders pull over at their usual spot, things escalate fast, showing just how quickly a simple misunderstanding on the road can turn into real conflict.
All the way over. And then he brake checks too. When I'm pretty sure I bumped him a little bit. So at this point, I'm fucking pissed, right now. So I give it to him. Come on, dog, what's up? What the fuck? What's up, dog? Why you trying to fucking kill me?
They come around.
Hey! Shut the Who the think you are? Huh? Who the think you are? Huh? The think you doing? Huh? You're going man. What the you doing, bro? Just leave. Why the you escalating? Just go home. Hey! Yo, what the wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you, bro? You a grown man? You acting like this? What the fuck is going with you? Just leave.
So there's how many of you? No, we're trying to go.
Exactly. Why are you trying to start something? Just go. Why are you escalating? He just broke your shit. This license plate right here.
This clip's a solid reminder. Always gear up and communicate with your friends. A small miscommunication can lead something serious.
Caralho, mano. Caralho, mano. Caralho, mano. Caralho, caralho, caralho.
While riding under a bridge, this biker captures a shocking moment. A man suddenly jumps out and tries to kick one of his friends. Without hesitation, he turns around to find out what on earth just happened.
Der ist von Dönerbude. Alles okay bei dir?
Nein, warum?
Warum kickst du ihn aufs Motorrad?
So, mein Kopf macht so. Ich bin
Dein
so.
Kopf macht so?
Ja, ich bin so. Ist Problem oder was?
Aber auf Motorrad?
Ja, ist Problem? Ist Problem?
Du hast ihn fast
Ist
runtergeschmissen.
Problem? Ist Problem?
Mit einem Mädchen
Ist
hinten drauf.
Problem?
Behindert? Deppert, Alter. Was? Ja, der ist deppert. Bruder, was ist mit dem?
Holy shit! Ooh. Ooh.
Back on the tail of the dragon, this biker finds a downed rider alone on the roadside and stops to see what he can do to help. A good reminder to always ride with a buddy or carry something for emergencies.
You okay?
Pretty sure my leg's broken.
Okay. Ooh. Some gravel through here. Is that what got you?
New rider.
Okay. I hear you. All right.
Car though, I tried Siri. It seems to be on satellite though.
So you just, all right. So I'm going to go flag you some help somewhere.
You wanted to hold the helmet. Let me try wait one more time.
Okay. Did you fly down there?
No, I wasn't going too fast.
So-
I just went over the guardrail to like right there.
All right. No blood or cuts that you're aware of or anything?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Just take a minute. You definitely don't want to make it worse if it is broken. All right. I'm going to set this. I'm going to see if I can pick your bike up. Because if you do get to riding, the sooner we get it up, the better. All right. The only noticeable thing, you don't have a front brake. It disconnected right here. The rear brake is working. Damage wise, if you're even concerned, it's not that bad.
So strong enough.